Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a 3D in SolidWorks software, and also I'll show the top view, front view and the side view of this drawing. And this drawing was the question of a Madhapara Granite and Mining Company Limited. So you are watching this object now. I want to draw it. At first, I am taking a new file. New file is created, part is selected. Okay. Then I am taking the front plane and go to the extruded boss. And I am going here, selecting the center rectangle, sketching a center rectangle, and determine the dimension. This one is 10 inch, and the length is 100. Okay, done. See, and exit it from here. And I want to extrude this 60 inch and the condition is mid-plane. Then okay. Then click on the surface and extrude boss is selected. And I'm going here and corner rectangle is taken. Sketching a corner rectangle here. Then the smart dimension is selecting. Determine the dimension from here to here. It will be 15 inch. And this one is also taking the 15 inch. And taking this one is 10 mm or 10 inch. Okay. And the length is 30 now. Total is 60, 15 and 15, 30 and rest of the part 30 and this one is also 30. So it is a square shape. Let's get it here. And this one is taking up to 40 inch upwards. Okay, done. Then front plane is taken again. Then Control 8, press from the keyboard. Going to the sketch and taking a line. Sketching a line from here to here. Then exit it. Then go to the features and read is taken. Click on this line and read this one is 10 inch. Then okay. See, now I'm selecting this one. This one is selecting. Then click on the surface and extrude boss is selecting. Sketching a circle here, center of this square shape. Okay, here. Now done a circle. Exit it. Then it is upwards. I want to take this, the direction is opposite. Okay, up to here. Then okay. Now see, the drawing is done. I want to show the 3D the views. Okay, going here. I'm selecting this one and the full views is display. You see, display a full view, viewpoint with first or third angle projection. See, here the circle is drawn, that's why you're showing this one and this one. See, this one is the front view, this one is the top view, and this one is the left view, and this one is the trimetric views. Okay, and another thing is evaluate. So the measure and the mass product is almost same. And this volume is 1 10 lakh cubic inch. I mean 10 lakhs, 8,000 cubic cubic inch, and the mass is 3,901.75 pounds. So I think got everybody how to sketch this one and how to show the uh, all views in SolidWorks software. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.